Samsung is opening a Metaverse store in Decentraland. Electronics giant Samsung has opened 837X, a virtual replica of its flagship 837 store in Metaverse platform Decentraland. What is... Have you spent any time in Decentraland, by the way? What's your awareness level?
Maybe around an hour or two.
An hour or two? Okay.
That's my max.
Would you visit the Samsung store? Is that a...
Well, I mean, let's go in
let's do it right now. Okay, here we go. We're doing a live
Decentraland
exploration.
Let me see.
That's cool. Listen, man. Would you choose to shop in here? It just feels like it would take me longer. You know what I mean? Like, I gotta fake travel there. Maybe if I want to hang out with people or communicate.
But if you want to buy something real quick, yeah, you probably wouldn't want to go here. But
I mean, maybe
people are just having fun with it.
And maybe one
now.
day they figure out a way to really make it social so that the experience itself is enjoyable enough that it isn't necessarily about speed or doing it the fastest. Like, if you could walk in that store virtually and speak to your pals or other enthusiasts in there about Samsung products. Can you go inside or what's going on here?
You can go inside.
Okay, go inside. Let's see what's... Okay.
So this is like the whole experience. There should be other people in here.
Is that you? Is this you running around?
That's the character I made. His name is Bob Fett.
Bobby Fett.
And you can go in here and you can kind of collect collectibles, I guess, NFTs.
Yeah.
And just walk around.
So, okay.
I know that they have a theater.
Right.
Here it is. And then you can watch like the launch.
Okay. I mean, that's cool.
There was supposed to be people here. I don't know where everyone went.
Should it not just have products in it? Like, can I not go? It's weird how you still have to put video in here and then.
Yeah, I'm guessing this is just preliminary.
Go in the middle there. Go in the middle. The very middle. Right there. Yeah. What does that do? That little icon. MetaMask digital wallet required to receive badge.
So this is just like a guest avatar.
Yeah. I got you. I think virtual shopping experiences could be really cool.
We're at a forest, apparently.
You jumped out the wrong door. I just think we're just at the very beginning still. But you know, stuff takes time, and figuring out how to make it. Wow, you're just glitched out right now.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a dragon.
You see, there's this. I don't think you're doing a good advertisement right now for Decentraland.
This is terrible. What is that? Oh, I think that was a collectible.
Oh, okay. So it was kind of like a game inside of the...
Sure, yeah. You're supposed to hunt for them.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know,
but there it is.
Yeah, I don't know, man. It's like, it's obviously a little bit rough around the edges at the moment.
Yeah.
But you could imagine a future in which you could have an actual retail shopping experience in a virtual world. And you could...
talk to virtual...
Yeah, I mean, you could
avatars.
Share information with other enthusiasts who hang out in that store. I mean, it could also be annoying, but you might bump into some people. Kind of how people hang out in forums or on social media and talk about enthusiast things and have such a wide scope of knowledge. If you could do that in these virtual representations of places that actually house those products, and you could actually transact there and purchase something and have it show up in real life. I mean, you can obviously imagine that being a kind of a cool thing, but
yeah,
it's one day, a little more polish.
Yeah,
we'll figure it out. Samsung will figure it out. Maybe Bobby Fett will figure it out.
Add some ray tracing.
Shadows.
Yeah.
Lighting.